myself in contempt. Tearing the hair off black baboon skull is a bitch for some 4,000 names. Vomiting lies through her theremin throat as some businessmen pick at her brain. Pulls back skinny lips to reveal a proboscis. See Seth Brundle's at it again. Tears pages from spines as she judges the cover and shamelessly spoils the end. Blood vessels drying and curling inside her, unfurling from out of her wrist. Oh yes they are. Well, she wrings out a snake and collects all its poison, intending on learning to hiss. Foams at the mouth with a head full of acid and giving some poor illness the blame. Knocking the pieces the fuck off the chessboard, insisting that she's won the game. So all that I see, absolute entropy, as the chemical bonds fall apart. Well, it seems she broke me, but I swear she could not break my heart. She could not break my heart. Oh, Lord! Makes up excuses for throbbing black bruises and uses them to her advantage. Never came down for a last trip on Jesus. Disease is her primary language. Garbled and gruesome, her words so absurd, like I heard a transmission from Apollo 13. No apology, I request misery. So no rest till I've twisted her chest around my knee. So squeal like a trolley wheel, cry like a baby with autism straps to a ceiling fan. Soil your visage with mucus and twisting off features unable to stand. Buckle your knees looking up at me and beg me to spare thee the back of my hand. For the sake of humanity, die of your blight. You are blasted, you're barren as a movie sands. So all that I see, absolute entropy, as the chemical bonds fall apart. Well, it seems she broke me, but I swear she could not break my heart. Whoa, all that I see, absolute entropy, as the chemical bonds fall apart. Well, it seems she broke me, but I swear she can go fucking die.